Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to translate on the Google Translate application by using your camera. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the camera icon in the middle of the screen. That's the first option. Now, if you feel like to do so, you can change the source language, which is now set to English, and the target language as well, which is set to French. So if you tap on this bar, you will be able to select other languages. Then you should direct your phone to the text that you would like to translate. So take a photo with your phone, and now if you scroll down, you will see the translated text. You can either go to the translate home section, select the text, or listen to it. So tap on the first option if you are ready to see the results. So as you can see down below at the bottom of this box indicated by blue, you will see the target language translation of your text. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.